Hello Patriots, this is the Math Patriot helping you get ready for your final exam. Let's start off with question number 1. Find the surface area of our rectangular prism. Now, the rectangular there is going to be important because that tells us that the shape of the base is going to be a rectangle. So, first place to start off, number 1, if you don't have a picture, draw it. We do, so we can skip that step. Number 2, write your surface area formula. Surface area equals perimeter times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. Now remember, this is perimeter of the base, height of the prism, and area of the base. We need to know all three of those before we can proceed to calculating the actual surface area. So let's look at our prism here. We can't take for granted that a prism always sits on its base. So this bottom face down here, we're not going to assume it's the base. It's going to be the one that is shaded. So our side piece here, the 4x7 rectangle, is going to be our base. Now, since it's a rectangle, we know the opposite sides are congruent. So this is 7, and across here, this one is 4. So finding perimeter is just going to be, well, 7 plus 4 is 11, and this 7 and 4 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22 meters. Our height of the prism is going to be the distance between the two bases, which is this length is 12 meters. The area of the base is going to be the area of this rectangle. That's length times width. So I plug in 7 times 4 gives me 28 meters squared. Now that we know all three pieces, we can plug into the main formula. Surface area equals 22 times 12 plus 2 times area of the base is 28. Now we jump over to our handy dandy calculator. 22 times 12 plus 2 times 28 gives me 320 meters squared.